Hello students, welcome in this video. I am going to solve exercise 2.2 from class 6th, page number 27. This exercise is all about the whole numbers and we will use the properties of addition and some other properties of whole numbers. So I will tell you one by one. Now first question is, there are two parts. Is the sum of any two even numbers an even number? Verify with taking whole numbers. See, what are the whole numbers? I explained you in the previous video. If we take all the natural numbers and with 0, so we start the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. All these numbers are called whole numbers. So the smallest whole number is 0. So I hope you have the basic idea of whole numbers. Is the sum of any two even numbers an even number? So we have to check it is true or false. Now try by taking two even numbers. For example, 4 plus 6 is 10. So the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. The answer is yes. So verify with taking whole numbers. Means we have to take two whole numbers. This is a whole number, and the answer is even number. Second part, is the sum of any two odd numbers an odd number? So try with odd numbers. 3 plus 11. 3 is an odd number, 11 also, but the sum is 14, that is even number. So the answer is no. Means the sum of two odd numbers is an odd number. It is false. बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि दो ऑड नंबर्स का अगर सम करेंगे तो हमें ऑड नंबर मिलेगा, बट वी आर गेटिंग एन इवन नंबर, सो द आंसर इज नो. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. डिटरमिन द सम बाय सुटेबल रीअरेंजमेंट. व्हाट इज रीअरेंजमेंट? इट मीन्स इफ यू हैव सम नंबर्स देन collect them or group them so that you can get the sum as the multiple of 10 or near about 10, so that the addition becomes easier. See how it happens. First part is 157 plus 376 plus 413 plus 524. Okay students, now these are four numbers and the question is determine the sum by suitable rearrangement. So I am going to tell you a short method. इसे आप ट्रिक भी कर सकते हैं. Listen, this is the ones digit, it is 7. तो आपको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसकी वंस डिजिट 3 हो, बिकॉज 7 में 3 ऐड करते हैं तो 10 मिलता है, तो 10 में एक 0 आएगा. इस तरह से हम 10, 100 या 1000 को फाइंड करेंगे. सो दिस इज 7 एंड हियर इट इज 3. देन वी विल रीअरेंज इन दिस वे. ओके, 157 is grouped with 413 and 376 is grouped with 524 because this is 6 at ones place and it is 4 at ones place and 6 plus 4 is 10. तो आपको 10 के मल्टीपल बनाने हैं, इस तरह से नंबर्स को ग्रुप करना है. नाउ फाइंड द सम. 7 plus 3, you can do this addition in rough notebook. 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 5 7 and 4 plus 1 5. Okay, now what is sum of these? 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 7 1 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 5 9. And easily you can find answer that this is 900, this is 570. So 900 plus 500 1400 and it is 70. So students, the answer of first part of second question is 1470. Now we should check the answer also. 2.2 second, it is second question. Okay, 1470. Now students, note it down. This is the correct answer. Again I will explain you the same method in next part. So I am going to solve second part. Second part is 23 plus 446 plus 377 plus 54. Listen carefully, focus at the board. This is 3, so you have to find 7 because 3 plus 7 10. तो आपको 7 फाइंड करना. 7 कहाँ पे? 7 इसमें आ रहा है वंस पोजीशन पे. So you will regroup in this way, and it is 6. You have to find 4 at one's place. Here it is. So you have to regroup in this way. Now find the sum. 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry. 37 plus 1 38 and plus 2 40. Now the sum is 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6 and 44 plus 6 is 500. And easily you can find the sum, that is 400 plus 500 is 900. This is the answer. Note it down. Okay students. Now third part. Third part is 4001 plus 3768 plus 2999 plus 1232. All right. So we have to regroup. You can say it is 1. So we need 9 because 1 plus 9 10. So we will regroup 4001 plus 2999. And finally 3768 plus 1232. Now add these. 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 plus 0 10, again 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 plus 0 10, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 and 4 plus 3 7. Okay. Now about this, 2 plus 8 10, 1 carry. 3 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 7 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 and plus 3 5. Now the answer will be 12,000. Okay students. So this is the answer of 2.2. It is third part. Okay. The answer is 12,000. Okay, it is the correct answer. Note it down. And the next question is just a puzzle, nothing else. So this will be the part of your homework. Okay. I am not solving third question. Listen carefully. थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा हूं, ये आपको असाइनमेंट में करना है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, add the following and check by reversing the order of addends. Okay, add the following. So first part is 325 plus 4964. Now we have to add this and check by reversing the order of addends. Okay, first of all we have to find the sum. Now the sum is 4964 plus 325. So the answer will be 4 plus 5 9, it is 8. 9 plus 3 12, it is 5. And you can write after reversing order. So you have to write 3 2 5 and plus 4964. It is 9, it is 8. 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry, and it is 5289. So you can see that when we change the order or when we reverse the order of the numbers, the answer will be same in both the cases. So in this way you have to solve, and I am going to solve third part of fourth question. Okay, third part, because second part will be given in the assignment. It is 973 plus 657. Okay, 973 plus 657. So originally the sum will be in this way. It is 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, and 10 plus 6, 16. Now after reversing order, so you will write this number upside and this number downside. 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, so 5 plus 1, 6, and plus 7, 13, 1 carry, it is 7 plus 9, 16. So again you can see that the answers in both the cases are same, 1630, and after reversing the order it is again 1630. So the answer doesn't change when we change the order of the numbers. Okay students, note it down. And fifth and last question of this exercise is, it's very interesting, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So again it is about suitable rearrangement. In the question number 2 I explained you how to solve by using suitable rearrangement. 34 plus 35 plus 36 plus 37. Okay, it is 65 plus 63 plus 64 plus 66. Check the numbers: 34, 35, 36, 37, 65, 63, 64 and 66. Okay, so what you have to do, I explained you. अभी मैंने आपको एक ट्रिक बताई थी, ये 4 है तो आपको 6 फाइंड करना है, बिकॉज 4 प्लस 6 10 होता है. तो वंस पोजीशन पे 4 है तो वंस पोजीशन पे ये 6 मिलेगा हमें, ठीक है. और यू कैन डू विथ, ओके, दिस 34 इज ग्रुप विथ 66 बिकॉज इन दोनों का सम 100 मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू राइट 34 प्लस 66. ओके, देन 35. सो you can find 5 because 5 plus 5 will be 10. So this 35 is grouped with 65. Now it is 36, so it is grouped with 64. 36 plus 64 and remaining 37 is grouped with 63. No need to draw these lines. Okay, now it is 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, and it is 100. It is also 100. It is again 100, and finally that is 100. So the answer is 400. This is answer of fifth question of exercise 2.2. So the answer of fifth question is 400. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this video. This exercise is a very easy. Okay, and this is the method of regrouping. This question is most important of this exercise, and try to solve the questions of your assignment. All the best.